But the more that I have, I'll get to it. And forever for her is over for me.
Good job, Kevin.
Forever, just what does she say? It means never. To be with another together. The way that it's torn to me. Then I knew it. All the work that it took to get through it. On the wings of a feather that flew it. Fell under my shoes, coming up into me. Well, everybody's reaction is changing. But their love is only a fraction of what I can give to you. So let's do it. Just get on the plane and just do it. Like the birds of the breeze and get to it. Let's get out of town and forever be free. Forever. I wonder what we could say together. It could change if you want for the better. Just turn on my shirt and lay down next to me.
Good, Greg. That's great. Nice.
What to do, then I'll
Well
do
done.
it. But the more that I have, I'll get to it.
Good.
Forever for her is over for me. Forever. Just a word that she said, it means never. To be with another together.